So over now to declaration. Apologies, first of all. Apologies. Ymddiriadau. Terry Mendes, unrhyw un arall? Chamberlain Jones. Michelle Walker.
On screen.
Yeah.
Councillor Mervyn Parry.
Councillor Mervyn Parry. Cynghorydd Mervyn Parry. Rwy'n arall? Cynghorydd Metre, Borel Wyddan. Pawb yn iawn? Neb arall? Diolch yn fawr. Ydy Hugh Evans yma heddiw? Ydy. Mi welai Gareth Sandilands a Ann Davies. Welai Hugh Williams. Rwy'n arall dwi'n nabod. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n mynd i gweld Hugh Evans sydd yn hyn. Iawn. Felly, drosodd ni rwan Declaration of Interest. Drosodd chi, Steve.
Diolch, Cadeirydd. Members will be aware of the requirement under the Council's Code of Conduct to declare any personal or prejudicial interests in respect of any business to be considered at today's meeting. Such interests should be declared now or as soon as the council affected becomes aware that they have a personal or prejudicial interest in today's business. All members declaring an interest are required to state clearly what the interest is and to advise whether it is a personal interest or a personal and prejudicial interest as defined in the Code of Conduct. Any member declaring a prejudicial interest is required to leave the chamber or the meeting, if on Zoom, for the duration of the business and can take no part in the proceedings. Members with a personal interest only may take part in the debate and any vote. If a personal and prejudicial interest is declared today that has not previously been disclosed and recorded, the councillor concerned will be required to complete and sign a declaration of interest form, which is available from committee staff here today.
Diolch yn fawr. Os oes rhywun eisiau gyhoeddi bod gennym nhw ddiddordeb yn beth da ni'n drafod heddiw? Neb. Na ni. Diolch yn fawr. Mae'n materion pwysig o flaen y cadeirydd. Urgent matters as agreed by the chair. Does neb wedi dod ata I o flaen llaw? Na chi chwaith? Na. Na'n fo. Diolch yn fawr. Odion y cyfarfod dwytha. Yn ei drwyddo nhw tudalen 7, tudalen 8, tudalen 9, tudalen 10, tudalen 11, tudalen 12, tudalen 13, 14 ac 15. Os rwy'n cynnig bod nhw'n gywir os gwelwch yn dda. Diolch fawr, Cynghorydd. Diolch Peter am eilio. Pawb yn gytun? Bych chi'n cytuno bod y cofnodion yn gywir. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mater yn codi, os gwelwch yn dda. Yn ei trwy tudalen 7. Mae'r hi hwyr rwan, mi ydw i'n gadeirydd, felly dyna ni. Yn ei mlaen. A llongyfechadau i Peter hefyd, sydd yma heddiw fel rwy gadeirydd. Dyna chi tudalen 8. A wedyn election of leader of the council. Unrhyw beth yn codi o hwnna. Tudalen 10. Annual review of political balance and appointment of scrutiny chairs. And di trafod hwnna. Rwy'n eisiau codi cwestiwn ar hwnna. Appointment of members to the standards committee. Rwy'n eisiau deud rhywbeth am hwnna? Na. A wedyn appointment of members to the governance and audit committee. Gobeithio bod hyn wedi digwydd erbyn hyn. Unrhyw gwestiwn? Constitution update. Unrhyw gwestiwn ar hwnna? Cyfansoddiad. Ac urgent matters as agreed by chair. Unrhyw gwestiwn ar hwnna? Na. Wel, da iawn. Yn ei mlaen. Okay, diolch yn fawr. Da ni'n mynd mlaen wan i'r rhif 6. Da ni eisiau rhywun i gynnig bod ni'n mynd i fater cyfrinachol yn awr, os gwelwch yn dda. Rwy'n yn cynnig bod ni'n mynd mlaen i'r sefyllfa propose, seconded by Councillor John Butterfield and the Vice Chair. All in agreement? Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr. Felly, da ni'n mynd mlaen wan i'r rhif 6 ar yr agenda, appointment of a corporate... excuse me. Rhaglen gwaith o mae'n ddrwg gen i, dwi wedi neidio, dwi eisiau mynd ymlaen i'r daith. Work programme, diolch yn fawr. Work programme, da chi.
Diolch yn fawr, Cadeirydd. The work programme for this council is on page 17, item 5. The next meeting is on the 19th of July. It's a special meeting, but it's an ordinary business agenda. It is a rather large agenda, Chair. I've not seen an agenda with 10 full items on before. I don't know whether you would be happy for us to limit that, and if there are any particular items that you would really want to see. Items which weren't taken could be taken to the next meeting. I think 10 items would probably be
Too much.
Yeah.
Chi ormod. Iawn. Felly, newn ni drafod hynna nes ymlaen yn ystod yr wythnos. Wel, faint o. Diolch yn fawr i chi. Diolch yn fawr. Alright. Felly, rwan, da ni'n mynd i'r rhan 2. Wedi rhywun yn fodlon cynnig eto, os gwelwch yn dda, bod ni'n mynd i'r rhan 2. Propose a Emrys tro yma yn eilio. Diolch yn fawr. Felly, da ni'n